Alright guys, we're going to be taking my Segway E3 Pro out on like a misty ride. So, let's get to it. And we're off. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So now it's me riding around because it's like a vibe out here kind of. It's like after rain, but like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like misty, foggy. It just felt like it, and it's like not too cold. It's like 47 degrees out, 50. So, decent weather. Sorry if it's a little shaky because it is in the phone holder and that thing is wet. What's happening with it? But yeah, I just got dropped off by the bus. If you can't see all the way down there, probably shouldn't. I don't think I have such a good phone for that. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna go down the best way actually. I don't want to go into that neighborhood because there's a big out hill and I'm not going all the way down there. Just come all the way back up. I'm gonna get a little faster here. That was rude. She didn't even like that. So very, very rude of her. See guys, look how vibe it is out there. I don't know if you guys can like, oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see it out there, but all the way out there is a road. Hold on, look at it. All the way out there is like, there's people over there. So all the way out there's a road, and it's the vibe. It's like, I don't know. This is like a real thing. Oh, that was like a delay. Oh, there's a road out there in that place. You have to go across that. We built the show. Oh my guys. Go a little faster for you guys here. Very, very cool, like, out here. This is the kind of good stuff about living out in the country. Awesome out here. We're gonna take that road up here, the bus. Yeah, the bus that was this way. There's like there's like a house or two building that they're building around here. It's kind of tough. There's like really a few neighborhoods over here. Alright, we gotta stop right here. Yeah, it's kind of the vibe. Very cool. Love it. Yeah, since I got this e-scooter, it's been pretty cool. I don't know if I'm gonna show my face in this video. Yeah, I will be showing my face soon. I'm gonna leak it because I really don't see the problem with having it. I mean, if Ethan Fix does it, I have to. I probably will. So I didn't even bring any of the shit with me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it. No, I ain't next to this person's property. You see me? Yeah, there's like two people right there. Let me stop real quick. It's kind of tough out there. This cart is not going to come out here. Yeah, is that car? Yep, it's all the way out there. I don't know if the bus comes up this way, so I may get cooked up. Depending on, I don't think there's many riders. No, actually the bus goes down. I'm confused. Because I don't ride the bus. Oh my god. So I get dropped off over there, and then my friend Nolan, you remember him, Nolan? One of my last videos that I've had. Me and him went on a ride, and I had to take this road. The bus goes all the way up this way. We went up all the way up through this way, and we don't know where the bus goes, because I don't want to get freaking ran over by the bus, because 100% not going to happen, but it's still possible. But yeah, I don't know which way it goes. Maybe we should pick up more, guys. That'd be tough. I don't know. I like solo videos. I haven't posted a solo video in a little while, so This is gonna be my second video on the e-scooter, so. Oh my god, I almost fell. My hood is coming off! No cars from this distance. We're gonna take the camera off this, I guess. This is a cool little find here. Ugh. Hold on, guys. I'll be with you real quick. I'm tightening my phone holder. It doesn't shake around. That was a gunshot. That was in that field. There goes it again. It's all the way out that way. Alright, well, I don't want to go into Nolan. Like, yeah. Wait, is that Nolan? No, it's more. Oh, I looked straight up in the car, so. Be careful. That's the second guy who has not waved to me when I waved back. So rude. But yeah, I almost got right up. I'd be paying attention. I don't know if he's not saying. Most likely he is. Yep, God shit. There's no way they just got him. It's okay. It's okay, Troy Dog's long. Dude, Troy's long. Dog tried to kill him. So chilly, bro. I'm actually so happy I brought pants. This could have ended so much badly. I already had them. There's a few houses back there. Nothing. Oh, guys. There's another neighborhood I want to go to, and then probably gonna head back, and then I'll probably wrap up for the video. I'm not trying to make a long video and have no storage for it. I need to hop here. I'm gonna wheelie, but dude, I suck at vision. This is so cool. Look at that. Okay, so that car's gonna have to go this way. So. That's the third or fourth guy wanting to wave to me. And only cars I've seen. So, pretty rude. Ugh, I don't know when my storage stopped. Okay, 3 dogs, 4 dogs that are the exact same. Hi! Hi! Oh, y'all are cute. Hi. Still got the jiggle. Oh, chase me. There's some sweet dogs. They're all like the same as I want. So tough. Okay, as much as I know those dogs are gonna like kill me when I go back down this way, I kinda have to. You guys are gonna better look at them. Oh, they left. They could have been punched. Oh, they're all still sitting right there. There's one. You can't leave a premises though. You can't leave their frickin' yard because they have shock cords. Hi, kitties. Hi, kitties. Why is there only 2? Oh, there's one back there. princess house. Let's see. You could look at daily. The dog's bad. Cause it's black. It's no cars in the road. Think about like stopping and doing like a post session right here, but I kind of don't want to save them. I don't want to. There's like a bunch of trees and stuff. Brown leaf trees, no leaf trees. It's fall time, guys. It's the best time for deer hunting. I need to go deer hunting soon. Yeah, I'm not gonna go that way. I don't really want to. I'm just gonna go straight. No cars behind me, so I'm chilling. The cars, when I'm going this fast, I cannot hear any of the cars. It's like a freaking FNAF jump scare, bro. If I like turn around and there's a big freaking Ford, Ram, whichever one, freaking flying out, ready to freaking kill me. Dude, I'm ready to just wrap this video up. I had to come out here for y'all because I know you guys like wanted to keep running. Walking I had to come out here because you guys wanted videos, so I was gonna give them to you here, and I just kind of wanted to make one. I haven't made one in a little while, ever since the Segway video. Make sure to go check that out, because it was such a tough video. I love that video. It was kind of like bad, so it was good and bad at the same time. Only because I kind of had, it was like shaky eye, because I had a very loose holder for some reason. But I tightened this one, so I hope it's not as bad. I hope it's a little better. And the last one I think was in HD, and this one's in 4K 60, so yeah, I think it should be good. Alright. Where'd it go? Now it's gonna be more dangerous because, like, there's the shed right there, dude. It's so tough. Like, now I can't hear anything because my hood just came flying off, and it's cold. My ears are like being straight blasted by wind. So I hope you guys can hear me. This wind. So cold. It makes it like 28 degrees colder on this thing going freaking 32 kilometers. It should be 20 miles per hour. Miles, like the mileage. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. It should be 20 miles per hour and then 32 kilometers. So, alright guys, well.